Amidst the harsh, high desert landscape of California stands Sawmill, a family retreat designed by Olson Kundig. Located in the remote area of Tehachapi, this 4,170-square-foot home is built to adapt to extreme environmental conditions while emphasizing sustainability and the reuse of reclaimed materials. Sawmill is a high-performance, fully self-sufficient home that operates as a net-zero residence, completely independent of the public power grid. With its strong and resilient design, this house not only provides a comfortable shelter, but also becomes an integral part of the surrounding natural landscape. The primary concept of this home is to create a strong connection between architecture and nature, as well as between family members inside. Inspired by the idea of tents surrounding a campfire, the house consists of 3 main wings connected through the central hearth in the living area. Here, a massive 12 by 26-foot window wall can be retracted by turning a large wheel, transforming the outdoor patio into the 4th tent that complements the main gathering space. This mechanism blurs the boundaries between interior and exterior, allowing residents to feel an even deeper connection with nature. The materials used in Sawmill's construction were chosen for their durability against extreme weather conditions. In the summer, the region is prone to wildfires, while winter temperatures can drop significantly. Therefore, the design approach prioritizes sustainability and efficiency, utilizing reclaimed and salvaged materials from the surrounding area. The primary structure of the house is built from recycled steel and salvaged wood from old buildings, reflecting a design philosophy that values history while minimizing environmental impact. Beyond sustainable materials, Sawmill is equipped with a self-sufficient energy system, enabling the home to operate entirely off-grid. Solar panels provide electricity, while a rainwater collection system ensures an efficient water supply. This design approach not only considers functionality, but also fosters a more responsible and eco-conscious living experience. The location of this home has a long history of mining, ranching, and logging, activities that also inspired the name Sawmill. In response to the site's history of land exploitation, the homeowners wanted their residents to give back to nature rather than merely take from it. As a result, Sawmill was carefully designed to minimize disruption to its natural surroundings, while encouraging residents to engage more deeply with the landscape. Thoughtful site placement allows the house to seamlessly blend with its environment, achieving a perfect balance between sustainability and aesthetic harmony. Sawmill is more than just a house. It is a manifestation of environmentally conscious design. By integrating architectural innovation, sustainable strategies, and a strong connection to the landscape, this home serves as a prime example of how high-quality design can also contribute to environmental preservation. Every element used in this home carries its own story, from reclaimed materials given a new life to energy systems designed for maximum efficiency. Through this approach, Sawmill is not just a residence, but a symbol of how architecture can be a tool for conservation and restoration rather than mere consumption. This home proves that sustainable design does not have to compromise aesthetics or comfort, but can instead enhance the experience of living in harmony with nature. Thank you for joining this home review with Block 7. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with more inspiring home designs. See you in the next video.